In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ThinkorSwim run faster. So ThinkorSwim by TD Ameritrade can sometimes lag, especially when handling large amounts of market data. So if you're experiencing slow performance, here are ways to optimize and speed up. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first of all, make sure you downloaded the ThinkorSwim application on your desktop in order to make these steps. So unfortunately, I couldn't download it because of restrictions here in ThinkorSwim in terms of verification. So assumingly, we've downloaded it. So the first step we need is allocate more memory to ThinkorSwim. So by default, the OS doesn't use all available RAM. So increasing it can improve speed. So in order to do that, so listen carefully. So open your downloaded or finish installed ThinkorSwim but don't log in yet. Click the settings or the gear icon in the login window and then adjust the memory usage. So the minimum is 1024 MB or 1 gigabyte and then the maximum is 4096 MB or 4 gigabyte or more if you have a high performance PC. And then after that, click save and then restart the TOS and log in. So avoid setting memory too high above 8 gigabyte or 8192 MB as it may slow down the system. So the second step is, or the other steps or other options of how to make ThinkorSwim run faster by clearing the cache or cache. So TOS stores data that can slow it down over time. So clearing the cache removes all data and speeds up performance. In order to do that, close the ThinkorSwim and then navigate to your Windows or whatever location you've put the ThinkorSwim data, and then delete all files inside the user GUI or user UI, but don't delete the folder itself, and then restart ThinkorSwim. And that's it. So we also have a options for via reducing the charts and unused studies. So as you can see in here, this is just an example of what charts look like on the official application of ThinkorSwim. So basically, this is just a guest account. So in terms of reducing charts and unused studies, you can close the unused charts and then remove the heavy indicators and then use a fewer time frames and limit active watch lists. So keep only studies like moving averages, RSI, and volume, as this will help the ThinkorSwim run faster or smoothly. And that's it. So you can also optimize ThinkorSwim settings and then enable GPU acceleration if you're using a Windows. And then updating ThinkorSwim will also help in terms of running it faster, and then make sure you upgrade your computer if needed. And that's it. That's how you make ThinkorSwim run faster by optimizing memory, clearing cache, reducing charts, and picking settings. You can significantly speed up ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.